thunderstorm warning for southeastern Limestone County in north central Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north central Alabama, east central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trinity, or 8 miles east of Malden, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Madison, Athens, Trinity, Taylor, Huntsville, French Mill, Belmina, Caddo, and Bassam. This storm is producing large hail to the size of quarters. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama.